So students, let us continue the chapter. Let us continue from exercise number G. Here we have to use the three words yet, already and just. So yet, already and just, these three words convey some different meanings. Yet is used some kind of attempt the question answers of your own, on your own, on Nisha. I don't think any chapter is there which is very difficult for you to attempt it. Attempt it on your own, write the question answers. I will obviously be providing them to you, but don't wait for that, okay? You are in class 8, you should be well equipped to write answers of your own, and they are very simple questions. Simple answers are there. Take help from the book and try to write it, okay? And after you have completed it, submit it to me, okay? Because I have seen you guys writing answers and you are quite good at it. So attempt them on your own. Then later, whenever I give you the question answers, if you have any doubt with a particular question or answer, you can ask me about it, okay? So just is used for talking about an event which has happened just a short time ago, and already means it has already happened, okay? So let us start. She has already polished her shoes for tomorrow morning, okay? Already means here it is already. Why am I using already? That means the time is quite late. For tomorrow morning something is required, but she has already completed it, okay? We have just finished our dinner and can't eat fruits now. Just now we have finished our dinner, so we are completely full right now, so we can't have fruits right now. Sneha has already called up her aunt and wished her on her birthday. Number 4, the children are playing. They are yet to go to bed. Yet to go to bed in a negative sense, that means they have not yet gone to bed. So they are yet to go to bed, okay? Now present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense, can we write just in question 3? Sneha has just called up her aunt and wished her on her birthday. You may write just, not a problem. So present perfect continuous tense means it is used to emphasize the continuity of an action which has started in the past but it's still going on, okay? Like if I say it has been raining since morning, okay, that means it has started raining sometime in the morning, it is still continuing that. The rain is still continuing. For those kind of actions we use the present perfect continuous tense. Means some event which has started in the recent past but it is still going on, the action is still going on. For those cases we use the present perfect continuous tense. So what is the format of the present perfect continuous tense? Has or have plus BEEN been plus ing form of the first root verb, okay? So this is the format of the present perfect continuous tense, okay? Now let us start with exercise number H. For plural subject it will be have, been, waiting, and for singular subject it will be has. Very easy exercise. Let me do till number 4, the rest you are going to do it on your own. they have been reciting a poem. Number 4. Done? Till number 4 I have told you. From number 5 to 8 you do it on your own. Now come to the next part of the chapter, that is using of for and since. The word for is used to indicate the time for which an action has been going on, and since is used to indicate the point of time from which it has started. Okay, so for tells you about the duration of an action, till what time this is going on, and since tells you about the time of starting of an action. Okay, so using this difference, let us solve exercise number I. I assume you have already completed exercise H. Okay, we have not slept since yesterday. Number 2, the baby has been sleeping for 3 hours. Number 3, we will be at the orphanage for 2 hours. Number 4, Shimla is covered with a blanket of snow because it has been snowing since last night. This was very easy. I think all of you have done it on your own. Now come to the next part. Difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. Present continuous is used to express an action which is going on at the time of speaking, and present perfect continuous, it lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. Okay, like it has started for a while and it's still going on. For that we use the present perfect continuous. Read the following sentences and state the tense forms of the underline. Obviously you can do it on your own, but I am just going to help you write a few of them. So J is also very easy. Ma'am, can you set the rest of the points that are left in exercise H? Kindly, if you say, then I can check it once. Okay, fine. So all of you check the answers of exercise H. Number 5, have they playing, no, what is this? Perfect continuous. Have they been playing in the sun for long? Number 5 will be, have they been playing in the sun for long? Number 6 will be, has she been shouting at her sister? Has she been shouting at her sister for nothing? Number 7 will be, you have not been eating for a week. You have not been eating for a week. Number 8, has she been sleeping? Has she been sleeping for too long? Has she been sleeping for too long? Let me repeat it once again. Okay, let me repeat the answers once again. Number 5 will be, have they been playing in the sun for long? Number 6 will be, has she been shouting at her sister for nothing? Number 7 will be, you have not been eating Number 8 will be, has she been sleeping for too long? Done? Sneha, did you check it? Okay, come to exercise J. It's very easy. You are going to do it on your own. Let me just help you with a few of them. You just write it in your book. Number 1, obviously present perfect continuous. Number 2, present perfect. Number 3, present continuous. Okay, so it's very simple. All of you should be able to do it. Identify the tenses. Let me just verbally tell you the rest of the answers. Number 5, present perfect. Number 6, present perfect continuous. Number 7, present perfect continuous. Number 8, present perfect. Come to the next page. Exercise K is a homework. Do it in the book. Exercise L. Very easy. Let us start exercise L. Do we have some time left, students? K will be a homework. Since a story type, it is written in a story format, so you should do it on your own. Exercise L is very simple. You just have to write, fill up the blanks using the tense which is mentioned. Okay. So exercise L 1 will be, has started. Done. Exercise M. Same way it is done. Same way you have to do it. When does your next class begins, students? Yes, Roshni, you have not eaten. That would have been more proper. But whatever instruction is given, let us do it in that manner. This is not wrong, but what you said is also correct. Now tell me, what class is there and from what time? Is there any more class left? Then I can take 2 to 3 minutes more. No class is there. Okay. The spelling of there in this sentence will be THERE, Trijit. Okay, fine. So come to exercise number M. This one you have all completed. Come to exercise M. M1 is done. 2. Sneha, your name is coming many times in the chapter. Okay, come to exercise number, repeat exercise L, question number 6. Okay, question number 6 will be are planning. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Are planning. Come to exercise number N. This one all of you have done. Exercise M all of you have done. All of you have done this. Start take out your copies and do exercise N. Can I rub the board, students? Okay, so it's very easy. I think even if you miss it, check the video from YouTube and I'm sure you can do it on your own. Come to exercise N, you are going to do it in your copy. Okay. Simply rewrite the sentences using the instructions which are given. It's very easy. The girls have not eaten. The little boy has not gone to bed. Number 3, have they been studying since morning? Question mark. Number 4, has she eaten the pizza? Number 5, has the watchman killed the snake? Can you see the board, students? No, not has not the watchman. Simply has the watchman. Okay, it's not a negative question. Positive question you have to write. Number 6, has he composed a song? Number 7, has she been knitting since morning? Do not forget to put the question mark after an interrogative sentence. Do these boys like to play rugby? Done, students, all of you? Now this chapter comes to an end. The next chapter which is left is punctuation and capital letters. It's a very simple chapter, so I expect all of you can do it on your own. We will be repeating the chapter obviously in class. Punctuation and capital letters, nothing new you are going to learn there. Keeping the proper punctuation mark, giving the proper punctuation mark in a sentence, when to write words in a capital letter, okay. Like in the beginning of a sentence, obviously you begin the word using a capital letter. These kind of little distinctions which you already have an idea about, you are going to do it once again in this chapter. So I expect you can complete the exercises of punctuation and capital letters on your own. Till we meet again, have a great time during the puja vacation. Act in a responsible manner. Remember all the rules of behaving in a social environment. Okay, and avoid going to crowded places. Thank you, students, for today's class, and happy puja.